Hello, do you know that stoichiometry can be easy? It can. Take a look at this question. How many moles of MgCl2, that's magnesium chloride, are produced by reacting 150 grams of MgCO3, that's magnesium carbonate, with excess HCl, and that's hydrogen chloride? Okay, so let us write an equation of reaction for it. MgCO3 would react with HCl, and it should give us MgCl2 according to the question. Alright, so if this is our equation, then we should be able to see that it's not complete, right? I mean, this is the Mg part, this is the HCl part. If the Mg should react with the Cl part here, you get MgCl2, okay, we understand that. How about this H and then the CO3 part? That's H2O and CO2. Yeah, that's something interesting that can come from there. So we'll put H2O here, and we'll put CO2 here. Besides, this is an acid reacting with tetrahydrocarbonate carbonate 4. You would get salt, water, and CO2. Okay, it's a kind of neutralization reaction that's just a little step above. So that's our equation of reaction. Next up, is it balanced? We have Cl2 here, so I think we should put a 2 in front of the HCl. Let's check if that would make sense, because you know the H on the left hand side is 2 and on the right is now 2. Okay, that's good. And then the oxygen is 3 on both sides. Okay, yeah, that's perfect. We can do that. What is the molar mass of MgCO3? Was it 24 plus 12 plus 3 times 16? So I'm using these values because this is what was given in your class. Whatever your professor gives you is what you will use. Okay? So this should give me 84 grams per mole, and the moles of MgCO3 that's present here will be the mass divided by the molar mass. Okay, and what is the mass of MgCO3? 150. Yes, see, a good student. And 84 is the molar mass, right? Very good. So let us solve that up here. That should give us 0. What? Most of these things give us 0, but this time around it's not 0. It's 1.785714 in moles. All right. So if this is the amount that we have, how many moles of MgCl2 are produced? This is just the moles of MgCO3 that we started with. But we know that from our equation of reaction, 1 mole of the MgCO3 gives us 1 mole of the MgCl2. So if we have 1.785714 moles of MgCO3, we would also have 1.785714 moles of MgCl2. Does this make sense to you? Alright, so the number of moles of MgCl2 will be equal to the same 1.785714 moles, and the mass of Mg. Alright, so they say how many moles are produced, so we'll just stop here. They were very kind. So that's the answer, 1.785714, which you can choose to leave in, let's say 2 sig figs if you want, and call that 1.8, or 3 sig figs if you want, and then call that 1.79 moles. Okay, so that is your answer, and this is the process of solving it. Okay, so if you learned something new, let me know in the comments. Like this video if it's helpful, to you, and subscribe if you want to see more of this. We're going to 100. This is question 24, and we're going to 100. So I'll see you guys on question 25, and after 25 it means that we'll be 1/4 done.